Hello everyone, today let's make chicken chettinadu. Making chicken chettinadu restaurant style at home is not difficult. It is simple, needs a few simple ingredients and you can whip it up just as good as a restaurant at home. And without further ado, let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need whole garam masala of choice, some coriander seeds, peppercorns, fennel seeds, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds that you will add to the pan, along with some curry leaves. Then about half a cup of grated coconut, around 6 cloves of garlic with skin and half an onion roughly chopped. Add them all to the pan and start dry roasting them on very low flame. By the time this roasts very well, your kitchen will be filled with the beautiful aromatics of all the spice along with garlic and onion. It will smell absolutely divine and you know it's done when you get that smell. Once that's done, let it cool and grind into a smooth paste-like consistency. In the same pan, add some oil, add some finely chopped onions. Saute this in the oil for a bit. Then add about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix. You don't have to wait until it goes brown. Immediately you can add your chicken pieces. This is about 600 grams of chicken. Then add 1 tomato roughly chopped, some turmeric powder, around 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, some salt to taste, and then give it a good mix. Do not add any water, the chicken has enough water for it to cook through. Close this and let it cook to about 90%. You can see how the chicken has released enough water. The chicken looks about 90% done. At this stage, add in the paste that you had ground earlier. Give it a good mix. Nothing much left to do at this point. Close and cook the chicken for another 10 minutes until the oil separates. As usual, I have rinsed the blender and poured in just a tad of water. You can see how the gravy has come together beautifully and the oil has separated. Give it a mix. Check for salt and the spice level. Add some chopped coriander leaves to garnish and your chicken chettinadu gravy is ready. Always after preparing any dish, let it sit in the container for at least about 20 to 30 minutes. You will see how the gravy thickens, darkens and gets the perfect texture. Chicken chettinadu looks amazing. Pair this with chapati, dosha, idli, rice, parota. Oh yes, please have this with parota and enjoy. And let me know how you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.